Hi, this is Marcia, and this is This Week in 60 Seconds. This week, we designed a printable that you can grab from our website that talks about relevant student ownership creation projects from online applications. There, I'm going to showcase my top 6 favorite tools to use, as well as ideas on how to use them in the core content areas as well as electives. You guys, this is a great resource. Print it out today. Also, on Thursday, April 20th, we are doing a free online workshop talking about creation tools and, of course, AI and how the creation tools and AI could work together, as well as giving you ideas on how to be aware of what happens when students are using AI. Last but not least, it's time to purchase your field guide. We have 2 versions. One has all 12 elements, which is phenomenal, great resource for admin and coach. And or if you're a beginner teacher and you just want to get your hands on a copy of the field guide to begin looking at all the different resources, grab the 4 elements of student engagement and ownership infused in Blended Learning Studios. It's the same exact book, however, it's just the first 4 elements. And it gives you a full color, gives you great resources to read, to explore, and videos to go along with it. You guys grab your copy today.